Not a ton of room to do the work on this page, so we'll do the best we can. x1, y1, x2, y2. We'll have y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Again, finding the slope between 2 points. y2 is template first Lego all the time. -3 minus 4. 8 minus 3. -3 minus 4 is -7 over 5. That cannot be simplified, so we will leave it as -7 over 5. Next one, x1, y1, x2, y2, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Template, 5 minus -6, -4 minus -9. The places we have the double negatives, we got to clear them up, make the plus sign. Our slope here is going to be 11 over 5. Again, that cannot be simplified. So continuing x1, y1, x2, y2, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We've got to do the template. -7 minus 8, and then 7 minus 3. Gives us -15 over 4, which also cannot be simplified. Moving on, we have these three tables. We are going to do we're going to find the slope, the initial value, and we're going to write an equation for all three of these tables. So slope, we can choose any 2 points. Let's choose this one, x1, y1, and this one, x2, y2. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. It's going to give us 10 minus 4 over 2 minus 0. 10 minus 4 is 6 over 2. That's equivalent to 3 over 1. Our slope is 3 over 1. And our initial value is going to be 4. So for an equation, y equals 3 over 1 plus 4. Slope here, let's go with this one as x1, y1, x2, y2, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We've got y2 is 1, y1 is -1, x2 is 3, x1 is 2. Coming out with 1 plus 1 is 2 over 1. That's our slope. Our initial value will be -5. So our equation would be y equals 2 over 1x minus 5. And again, initial value here is going to be 50. Let's use this as x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 is 10, y1 is 30. 4 and 2. 10 minus 30 is -20. 4 minus 2 is 2. That's going to give us -10 over 1 if we simplified it. So y equals -10 over 1. And our y-intercept is 50. That's going to be a plus 50. And for both of these, actually for the first one we'll write an equation, for the next one we can't. We don't know what the y-intercept is on the second one. So this one, it looks like the slope. Let's find perfect corners. These are all perfect corners actually, so I could use any of them. I'll pick that one and that one. So my first coordinate pair would be 1, 13. And my second coordinate pair would be 3, 11. Again, you can choose any points you want. If you do, you should get the same answer that if you choose different ones, you should get the same answer that I do. So again, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Template it out. y2 is 11, y1 is 13, and then 3 minus 1. 11 minus 13 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. That's going to give us 1 over 1. And we can see right here that the y-intercept is 14, because that's where the line contacts the y-axis. And so I am going to go ahead and write an equation for this line. Y equals, well, that should be negative 2 and negative 1. There we go. Y equals negative 1 over 1 x plus 14. On the next one, we will not be able to write an equation because we cannot see where the line is contacting the y-axis. So let's just choose 2 perfect corners. Let's see which ones I like. I like that one, and I like that one. You can choose any 2 corners. I just chose to pick those 2. I've got 0, negative 3, and 3, 9. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 is, I haven't labeled yet, x1, y1, x2, y2. y2 is 9, y1 is negative 3, and then 3 minus 0, fix the double negative, and we have 9 plus 3 is 12 over 3. 12 over 3 simplifies to be 4 over 1. 4 over 1 would be our slope for that one.